Sleep.
Sup?
Today I'm gonna move the lawn, or how to pronounce that, last time this year. Brutal. Raspberries, or of blueberries. To clean this mess, I'm listening to a channel, Hamza. I really need to listen to someone telling me to quit games, Instagram. It helped thinking about today going to the gym because of another channel than Sam Sulek. Long video, him just exercising, but it's actually really fun to watch him. Huge inspiration, no fancy edits, just him talking and exercising. That's what is YouTube about, and I love it. Pizza from yesterday. I want to change my life slowly. The one thing that I'm struggling, it's like wasting my time before sleep on watching something on YouTube, scrolling Instagram. I need to find to do something when I'm at home to do. I thought about gym, like an exercise at home, but I think it would be nicer to just be around people in some gym. Next day when I don't really film. Cargo shorts, I don't think they are in fashion anymore. I don't have courage to wear them. I only use like 10% of my wardrobe. Time to clean it. 10 pairs of shorts are staying with me. This much not. Old school jeans. Those are even more oversized. It's time to conquer my embarrassment and wear those. Some secret alcohol, but you know me, I'm not drinking. Maybe some cocktails in Zadar, but no. Button-up shirts. I don't really wear them to clubs. I wear just polo shirts. I need to find good ones. This one, I mean, I cannot lay in my bed, watch YouTube, so I'm gonna clear my wardrobe. What do you think about this? Now I need to check all of those shirts. How about this one? Official. This is interesting. A little bit small. Who's gonna watch this video? I'm documenting what's going on with my life. My suit from prom. This one I think it's a little bit oversized. Very breathable. The one. I'm gonna keep it. This is what I'm giving up. Good night. I need to survive this phase of boring vlogs. I should do something. 4 AM I should go to sleep, but I waste my time watching videos about game. Shopping, cottage cheese, a lot of proteins. I would love one, but no, I don't have a job, I don't have a future, I cannot spend the money. That's why I've loved GoPro 40% and it turned off itself. But I still love you GoPro. That's why you do this. 250 white chocolate. I can buy plane tickets. All that money. More cookies. My favorite cereal. See me. So much candy. 3 chocolates and 1 got for free. Evil deal. Chocolate is nice, but it's like pleasure for a second to be sick and be fat. It's not worth it. Those are fun. Kinder Bueno. Top 1 snack. Illegal in US, I think. We're gonna have a Halloween, but we don't see any Halloween things in Poland. Instead of Halloween we have this in Poland to put it on the grave. How to say znicz in English. This one. My favorite diet would be just a lot of fruit and meat. Shopping, la 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 la. The dirty capture. Oh my goodness. I think I like the look. This week it's a disaster. Last night I spent like 4 AM watching people playing video games. Now I'm wasting my life. The Skechers shoes, Go Walk 6, they are so comfy, but they don't really last long. The grip here, it's not really that strong. No, looks fine, but it feels like it's slowly giving up. I love this shoe, the most comfiest shoe ever. This short like visit to store, I feel more than like entire last day. It's a nice learning experience. Maybe I'm gonna put it to the last vlog and start this vlog. Today DJI Pocket release. Yes, I'm talking about camera. I'm gonna sit here in front of the table, edit. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna finish this video at the morning. Usually my vlogs are like one day. Next vlog is gonna be about Pocket 3, my reaction and thoughts. See you tomorrow. Nice painting. Yo.